Good afternoon, children. Welcome to your maths class. Children, today we are going to do a new topic, and this topic you had already done, but there is a little bit of change and some things that are included to it. Okay, so I'll be telling you what are the things that are there. So expanded form, as you all remember, had done till 10 to 99. So 10 to 99 was the expanded form from 10 till 99 you had already done. So today we are going to do the expanded form from 100 till 150. So after 99, you all know we start with the lines of 100. We have 100, 101, 102 and so on. So the lines of 100 starts from where? After 99 we have 100, as you all know, forward counting. So you all have done the expanded form easily. So this was the tens position and this was the units position. That was what was taught to you. So like 78 was written as 70 plus 8. This was 7 tens plus 8 ones. So this was what taught to you. But now we are going to move ahead. We are moving ahead from 99 till 100. So when we are moving from 100, when we move, we see that there are now how many digits? 3 digits. From, see, 99 is a 2-digit number. This is the tens position and this is the units position. But after 99 we have a 3-digit number. So this is which digit number? This is a 3-digit number. So now the things change over here. So this position is your hundreds position, this position is your tens position, and the last one is your units position. Now it is being divided because we are having how many digits over here? We are having 3 digits over here. So that is why we will include 100 over here, because we are having 3 digits. Similarly, now I'll tell you how will you write it in the expanded form. So how are we going to write it in the expanded form? It's very simple. So like, imagine children, I have a number over here 109. So this is the hundreds position. This 0 is the units this is the tens position, and this 9 is in the units position. ये last वाला जो position होता है, the last one is always your units position. Now we have a 3-digit number over here, so this first one will be the hundreds position. This will be 0 will be your tens position and 9 will be the units position. Now how are we going to write it? So this would be written as 100 plus 0 0 plus, which is the units position, 9 over here. So this is the hundreds position, this is the tens position, and tens position 0 0. Why I have written? Because you always write tens position 2 digits are there. So just like you all wrote 92 was written as 90 plus 2. So tens position always has a 2 digits over here. So we are not going to write only 1 0, would be wrong. You have to write down 2 zeros for it. Okay, so I'll move ahead with 128. So how are we going to write down 128? It's very simple. This is hundreds position, this is the tens position, and this is the units position. So it would be like 100 plus 20 plus 8. So 100 plus 20 plus 8. That is your how we are going to expand it. As I told you, expanded form means you are breaking the things. We are bringing more clarification to it. So now one more example I'll solve for you. Children, if I have to write down, if I write down 147. So how are we going to write down? Which position is this? This is your hundreds position. 4 is at the units position and units is at the 7th position. So 7 over here denotes the units position. So 147, again a 3-digit number. That means there is one more thing that is added before tens position, that is the hundreds position. So how are we going to write down the expanded form for this? It would be written as 100 plus 40 plus 7. This 100 will be the common factor. You just have to change the tens position and the units position over here. 100 is because it is the common factor. As you all say, number names also, 147. 40 is your tens position, 47 is your units position. Please remember it like that. आप लोग जब नंबर नेम्स लिखते हो, when you write down the number names, you always say 147. 100, this is the hundreds position, because we have a 3-digit number now, so we will always say 100. We will not, 147 is always, it is not said like 47, it's 147. So when we break it and write it in the expanded form, we are going to write it 100 plus 40 plus 7, because we have a position. This is the 100, this is tens, and this is units. So for your convenience, I am going to solve one more for you, and that would be the last one. Okay, 133. How are we going to write down? So you all know this is the hundreds position, this is the tens position, and this is the units position. So 130 plus 3, and when you will add it, you will get 133 only. That's what was taught to you, like 78 was 70 plus 8 is equals to 78. So when you will add these numbers, you will get the number itself over here. Okay, so that's all for today. That's the topic. Thank you, class.